Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. If you want to simplify your smart home experience and control your ADT security system with your voice, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your ADT security system to Google Assistant. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. An active ADT Pulse or ADT command account, your Google Home app installed on your smartphone or tablet, your ADT system set up and functioning properly. First, open your Google Home app. If you haven't already set up your Google Assistant, take a moment to do that now. Once you're ready, here's how to connect ADT to Google Assistant. Step 1. Tap on the icon at the top left corner of the app. This will allow you to add a new device or service. Step 2. Tap on Setup Device. Then, under Works with Google, select Have Something Already Set Up? Step 3. In the search bar, type ADT and select the ADT Pulse or ADT command option, depending on the system you're using. Step 4. You'll be prompted to log in with your ADT credentials. Make sure to use the email and password associated with your ADT account. Once logged in, follow the prompts to link your ADT system to Google. After successful linking, you'll get a confirmation message. Now, your ADT system is connected to Google Assistant, and you can start using voice commands. For example, try saying, "Hey Google, arm my security system," or "Hey Google, is my home secure?" Just keep in mind that while Google Assistant can arm your system and check the status for security reasons, it won't disarm the system with a voice command. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully connected your ADT security system to Google Assistant. Now you can enjoy a smarter, more secure home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.